So Scott, it was really warm today. It felt nice.
It sure was. Definitely spring is upon us. Nice little warm up, and the whole state actually saw that. Let's go ahead and take a quick look across the state. Over in Goodland today, they had a high of 46. Down in Garden City, a high of 53. And a little closer to home here in Kansas City, a high of 58. And Topeka, a high of 59. So definitely warming up across the state, and it's going to continue along that trend the rest of this week, actually. Quick look at our national satellite. You can see a lot of cloud cover right through the Central Plains, mostly over Kansas, but definitely Colorado, Nebraska, that whole area is getting that. And that's actually because we have a system moving through the area. You've probably noticed a few sprinkles out there this afternoon, especially later this evening. And so as you can see, going into our local satellite, you can see all that cloud cover primarily covering the entire state of Kansas, and then from the radar you'll actually be able to see all that precipitation right through the middle of the state, and that's continuing to move eastward, so you should start seeing a little rain coming down from the sky right about now. And fortunately that's going to continue this evening, but it will kind of taper off overnight and then pick back up later tomorrow. Here's a quick look at today's weather. You can see that front, it's kind of just stationary right now, and then going into tomorrow you'll see that front moving off to the north and east, and then going into tomorrow evening you'll see that leave, and then that mid-latitude cyclone is actually what's moving in, that low pressure system with the warm front and cold front kind of tied in, and that's what's actually going to bring us a potential threat for severe weather tomorrow. It's a very low threat, but there is a chance of isolated tornadoes tomorrow afternoon, so we'll see what progresses. Then going into tomorrow, here's our highs across the state. Still very comfortable across the entire state, even with that chance of precipitation and severe weather. Over in Goodland, they're going to have a high tomorrow of 45 degrees still. Here in Kansas City, a high of 56. Topeka, a high of 56. So, and even lower down in towards the southern portion of the state, even into the 60s. So very nice, very comfortable. Going into tonight, here's our quick forecast. Breezy again, chance of rain, low of 45, so still very warm, even with that chance of rain, very breezy as well from the southeast. And then going into tomorrow, we can see it's mostly cloudy, still very breezy from that southeast, a high of 55, and that rain will continue. And then tomorrow evening, that rain will start tapering off, so there's going to be a few scattered, isolated showers, but primarily just a lot of cloud cover, and of course still breezy from the west-southwest. So hopefully that'll dissipate soon and go away, but it looks like a lot of rain for later this week.
All right, well, as long as it's warm, we'll take the rain.
Sure.
Thanks, Scott.